How to convert a decimal to a fraction. In this video, we will show you how to convert a decimal number to a fraction. For this example, we will find out what 4.5 is in fraction form. As a quick reminder, the number at the top of the fraction is called the numerator. The number at the bottom of the fraction is called the denominator. Step 1. First, we convert the number 4.5 into a fraction. We can do this by using 1 as the denominator. This becomes 4.5 over 1. Step 2. We need to get rid of the decimal places so that the numerator becomes a whole number. Count the numbers after the decimal place. For this example, there is one number, the number 5, after the decimal place. When there is one number after the decimal place, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10. If there are two numbers after the decimal, we multiply by 100. If there are three numbers, we multiply by 1000, and so on. 4.5 multiplied by 10 equals 45. 1 multiplied by 10 equals 10. Our new whole number fraction is now 45 over 10. Step 3. The final step is to simplify the fraction 45 over 10. We need to find the greatest common factor of 45 and 10. In this case, that is the number 5. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5 to simplify the fraction. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. This gives us an improper fraction of 9 over 2, which can be converted to a mixed fraction of 4 1/2.